it's Jessie here. I am back with a Dollar Tree haul. I haven't done a Dollar Tree haul in quite some time, so I decided to show you the items that I picked up today. I needed some of my favorite cleaning products that I get from Dollar Tree, so I stocked up on a bunch of stuff. So the first items I picked up honestly should be set aside and done in my back to school supplies haul. I'll probably show it again in that haul if we're being realistic, but we saw a few things at the Dollar Tree that I did not see when I was there shopping previously, so picked them up. So I got each of my boys a student planner. Austin chose this blue one, Robbie chose the black one. Actually flip that, Robbie's blue, Austin's black. Not that it really matters to you guys, but it's just a basic planner. It's got space to write all the days of the week, so they can write in their assignments and things, so they're pretty excited about that. I also grabbed this calendar for Austin. I picked up one of these for Robbie the last time I was at Dollar Tree, and Austin decided he wanted one as well, so I picked that up for him. I also got them each a magnetic mirror for in their lockers. And the rest of the stuff is the cleaning stuff for the most part, except this. I picked this up to drink in the car on the way home. I got my favorite sponges, 6 of them in a pack for $1. You cannot beat that. I picked up a couple of these scrubby sponges as well. I bought these to use in the shower to help clean the shower. One for each bathroom. Some magic erasers because I was all out of those. I like to use disinfectant wipes when I'm cleaning my toilet, and so I bought a pack for each bathroom just so I don't have to walk them back and forth. For $1, you might as well. I picked up the fresh scented. Sometimes I buy the lemon. This time I bought the fresh scented ones just because there was 25% more, so you got, you know, 6 extra wipes or whatever. I picked up some of these stick-up Airwick things to put in the bathroom trash cans. Picked up some of these scented oil warmers from Sure Scents. I haven't used these before. I don't have any idea if they're any good. But I was looking at the Glade ones at Walmart today, and they're so expensive. And the wallflowers from Bath & Body Works are even more expensive, so I decided to give these a shot. So I picked up 2 of the diffusers and then 2 of the scents in Hawaiian and lavender. I'll let you guys know how those are. Also saw these candles and thought they were so pretty. So this one says Wanderlust. It's this purple and pink sort of bohemian print, and it smells really, really nice. And then this one says Follow Your Arrow in this kind of peachy color with gold, and I just thought those were so pretty, so I picked those up as well. Some sandwich bags, because we were all out of those. Robbie, my little soccer star, saw this and asked if he could have this just to put little trinkets and stuff on in his room, so I got him that for $1. Why not? And then lastly, I just picked up this white basket to put in my bathroom to help corral some of this stuff. So that is it from my little Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe so that you never miss a video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!